Alrighty, today we're going to work on completing this shading ditto worksheet, and this will help us learn various shading techniques for pen. Reason this being is pen is a little bit harder to blend, so we got to learn different techniques to make things have value. Alright, so go ahead and write your name in the upper right hand corner, and then we're actually going to start at the bottom half today. Alright, so stippling. Stippling is just a bunch of dots. So at this point you're going to make sure that you're not pounding to break your Sharpie. I have my hand anchored to the paper here, just making some dots. And I noticed that dots that are closer together make things look darker. Alright, so hatching. So hatching is just a bunch of lines. And I noticed that the lines that are closer together make things look darker than when lines are further apart. Awesome. So I'd fill up this whole page, this whole box here with hatching, but I'm going to go ahead and go over to cross hatching. Cross hatching is exactly the same as hatching, except for you're going to have lines that cross. Alright, so lines that went this way, now lines are going to go across them. So I now notice that the line areas are darker where there are crosses happening. I'm going to maybe even experiment with going another direction with the crosses. Alright, contour line, or you might hear me call this scumbling. I kind of like the word scumbling better. And scumbling or contour line drawing is almost kind of like scribbling. You're just going to have a bunch of like loop-de-loops. Sometimes they're a little more aimless, and sometimes they're like consistent loop-de-loops. Alright, so I noticed that the scumbling is darker on the areas with the lines closer together. Yep. Alright, so you're going to now fill out this sheet up here, and you get to pick your favorite run from down here to fill up this gradient bar. So if you picked stippling, there would be light stippling over here with like hardly any dots. And then over here it would be dark stippling, like millions of dots. Same thing with contour line. Contour line, really condensed scumbling over here, and really light, loose scumbling over here.